good morning to you guys, hope you're well. Back at Malt's, ready to finish the internal blockwork off and get some insulation in, get all the tyres sorted out and go and get the lintels sorted as well. We need 3 lintels, catnic lintels. We're having a door at the front and then 2 windows at the side. Okay, hope you enjoy guys.
Your mother said, if you give love, you get love in return. If you only knew you had so many bridges left to burn. Put your trust in all that wealth. You measure all in what you own. You don't worry about your health.
Got that vertical damp in there. Now I know it's straight joints here, guys, but you know you could return it, but it's a lot more work. I'm on my own. I don't want to be making unnecessary cuts. It's all been covered. As long as it's all tied in properly and you've got your vertical damping, that's the main thing.
The wind blows.
Okay, so now we've got this pillar up, we need to assess how many cuts we needed for that pillar, because we've got 1, 2, I need to cut some 100 mils, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in each pillar, so 7, 14, I'll get the still saw out. We're at a bit of a race for time here, because as you can see, the sun's coming round the front there, and it's going to be 30 degrees as soon as that arrives. Let's roll.
I see your home made out of straw while the wind blows. A secret well kept, but everyone knows. You try to keep it so still, but the wind blows.
on there, cooking on gas. And you know when you're sweating, that stuff started itching my face. Right guys, so you have it, that is all the internal block work done. Now the next job is we need to get the roof on. So we need to get super joinery, a Lee, and sort all the roof out. Then I can work to the roof, you see, because I've only gone up to lintel out there because we've got a pike going at the front. Yeah, and I'm trying to think if I can put a little bit of a feature above. I'm not having a window or anything, just there's going to be a pike there, so just give it a bit of character to the porch. We'll see anyway, it's being rendered, so we'll try and work out some kind of design. Anyway, that's the next job, and then after that the timber structure's up, I can come back and build to the pike and get it finished. Somebody else is rendering it actually, not me, because they're doing the whole job, you know, the extension he's doing still, and then we need to order all the windows as well. So alright guys, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like rating, don't forget to subscribe if you do. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.